guys, we have reached our first destination for today, which is Birla Mandir, Jaipur. Trip, a complete detour of this beautiful museum site, and this 20 feet walls which you see is basically constructed. The entire city is compounded and surrounded by these 20 feet walls. A very good morning, guys. We are in day 3 of our journey in राजस्थान जयपुर, एंड आज हम लोग साइट सीइंग के लिए जा रहे हैं जयपुर. सो द मोस्ट convenient way I have chosen a double decker bus, and the visibility, the main reason is that the visibility would be great. I have intentionally chosen the upper deck. You can see the visibility is just awesome. It's morning 8 o'clock and we have started from Jaipur station area. So the visibility you can see is awesome from top deck. It's an open deck and obviously that is the prime reason so that मैं आपके लिए अच्छे videos capture कर पाऊँ. So we are moving through the city right now and अपना धन्नो अच्छा ही चल पड़ा है, तो धन्नो ही बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज पिंक कलर है इसका. और इट लाइक मी लिटिल बिट ट्रेम्बलिंग, बट बियर विथ मी. सो गाइज, इट्स अ वेरी बिजी मंडे मॉर्निंग. एज यू कैन सी, द पीपल आर स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू देयर ऑफिसेज ऑन देयर वे. सो लेट मी गिव यू अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. एक्चुअली ये बजट ट्रिप मैं कर रहा हूँ, सोल ट्रैवलर आई एम. सो दिस एंड बुकिंग ऑफ दिस डबल डेकर बस only costed me 250 rupees for the entire Jaipur sightseeing, and you can see how many spots we are going to visit today. So I think it's damn cheap, as well as the visibility from the reason for choosing the visibility from the upper deck you can see is just awesome. and गाड़ी में तो हम लोग ट्रैवल करते ही है, तो मेरा अपकमिंग ट्रिप्स भी मेरा गाड़ी में ही होगा. तो ये एक यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस है विच आई डिडंट वांटेड टू मिस. So it's cloudy today and there might be some rains. Already I think in the morning there is some drizzle. You can see the roads are a little wet. So our first spot today morning is White Marble Birla Mandir. The entire mandir is made out of white marble, and that would be our first spot for today. Please be with me. So guys, we have reached our first destination for today, which is Birla Mandir, Jaipur, and this is carved out of white marble. The entire structure is made out of white marble, covered by beautiful garden, as you can see. Once we reach the vicinity, I will explain all the details along with the 360 view coverage. Please be with us. Thanks. So guys, this is the main entrance of the Birla Mandir. This is a Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, and along with the other Hindu deities like Ganesh Ji. Made out of pure white marble, and on the extreme left here you can see the fort. There is a old fort and there is a Shiv Mandir. So this entire property is compounded and it's a part of Raj Parivar, which is only restricted for entry of that only in once a year during the Shivratri. And it is believed to be said that Raj Parivar has gifted this entire land to Birla trust and foundation only at 1 rupee. So I'll show you the compound wall and give you a complete 360-degree view of this beautiful mandir. So you can see that wall on the left. Just a sec, मैं देखता हूँ अगर आपको मैं ठीक से कवर कर पाऊँ. ये जो वॉल है behind the mandir, that is the compound to the fort. Yes, see, now I can show you properly. This is completely a private property of the Raj Parivar, and entry is restricted for public, common public. It is only allowed once a year during the Shivratri. Let me give you a complete detour of the 360-degree view of the mandir. You see the carvings. The carvings are so detailed. You know, it is done with lot of precision out of white marble. So this took almost like 10 years. The construction started in 1977, and this beautiful mandir was opened on 22nd of February 1988. So you see the carvings. It is so granular and detailed on white marble. So it's just a piece of art. And architecture which is just awesome. It is carved out of white marble. But unfortunately, photographs are not allowed inside the mandir. So reason which I am unable to cover from inside the mandir. There are multiple entry points, but cameras are not allowed. Even on the glass carvings, there are beautiful carvings of the Hindu deities. But that is only visible from the inside the mandir. So just at the entrance of the mandir, there is statue of the founders of Birla Mandir, Shri Braj Mohan Birla, with folded hands. The statue is just at the entry of the mandir, and we have covered a 360-degree view and come back to the entry point. And on the left side there is statue of founder Rukmani Devi Birla, as you can see, with folded hands, greeting and inviting the public and audience to their beautifully structured and carved mandir. She is the founder of Birla Foundation. So that is the Shiv Mandir, guys. Can you see that? Every year generally it is open for public, but of late because of the COVID situation, last 2 years it is closed. It's completely a private property. And that's the Birla Mandir. So guys, our second spot in the day was Albert Hall Museum. Since I have covered in the day one of our trip a complete detour of this beautiful museum, I am not covering it again. So we are now moving towards Pink City. So guys, now we are at the entrance of Pink City. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and this 20 feet walls which you see is basically constructed. The entire city is compounded and surrounded by these 20 feet walls, because this was done to protect from the enemies and animals its citizen. So it's just awesome and beautiful. The Pink City is painted in terracotta pink, and there is a history behind why this entire city is painted in pink terracotta color. So you enjoy the site. I will update you why it was painted like this. So you see, this is absolutely astounding and wonderful. So we'll enter the Pink City through the main gates. Our Dhanno is standing just outside the main gate, and we are now entering. Oops. So narrow escape, guys. It was basically the trees, plants were all, it's open deck. So anyhow, we are safe. Now we are inside the Pink City. So as I was telling, the Pink City, the entire city, you see, not a single brick in this city is except that terracotta pink color, because there is also a law saying that none of the houses can be painted except pink. Another unique thing, guys, you note that below this, it's a planned city. Below the residents, there is shops. So niche dukan, upar makan. That is the concept of Pink City. And earlier this shops were only for residents of Pink City, but now it is also open for tourists. So in first floor or ground floor, sorry, it is basically the shops, and above ground floor it is all residents. So I left from where at the entrance I stopped, that why this city was at the first place painted pink. So in the year 1876, the Maharaja of Jaipur was that time Maharaja Savai Ram Singh, and that time Prince Albert came to India, and Jaipur in his 17 weeks India tour. So that point in time, the Maharaja thought of, he constructed a large concert hall which is named after Prince Albert as Prince Albert Hall Museum, and he painted the entire city pink. Also, in concert with his wife, he passed a law that all the residents and shops of this city should be painted pink, and still today that law is applicable. So that's how the Pink City was named and colored pink. Pink is the color of hospitality also and health. So this is the terracotta paint in pink you should see is absolutely beautiful, and it is long lasting also. Another important point you see guys, that you see these roads, there are so many lanes and sub lanes in this city, but it is so well planned meticulously that none of these roads there is any roadblock or dead end. So all the roads are planned and meet each other at a different point. So guys, we have reached our fourth spot, which is inside Pink City, that is Jantar Mantar of Jaipur, and post that we will be moving towards Hawa Mahal and Amer Fort and few more spots. So this vlog has become very lengthy, so I am putting an end to it, and stay tuned because lot more to come. So our Dhanno is getting parked, and while it is getting parked, I say goodbye to you, all of you, and do take care of yourself.